Okay, today we'll see we are doing applications of differentiation. We have seen how to find the approximate values of root 17, all that values we have seen in the one of the videos. Next one, if f of x and g of x are two curves, then angle between them at x1 y1. Okay, this is a point, sir. x1 y1 then is given by tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 is the slope of the f of x, m2 is the slope of g of x at p x1 y1. Means you have to find the slope of the curve f of x at p x1 y1, and we have to find slope of the gx at x1 y1. So we have to find slopes, then we have to substitute in this formula. Okay, let us see. This is a formula base, so we have to do some problems based on this. Okay, let us see the problems. Look at the problem, sir. Find the angle between xy is equal to 2, x square plus 4y is equal to 0. Now look at the solution. First, point of intersection. First we have to find a point of intersection. What is the xy? 2. From this, what is the y value? 2 by x. So divide here. Put in x square plus 4y is equal to 0 into y is what? 2 by x is equal to 0. So x square plus 8 by x is equal to 0. LCM is x 0, right? So x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. So I am substituting the values, sir. Then we got x cube is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 can be written minus 2 cube. So what is the x value? Minus 2. So x is equal to how much we got? Minus 2. Therefore, what is the y value? 2 by x, 2 by minus 2, minus 1. Therefore, what is the point of intersection? Minus 2 comma minus 1. Now first you have to find point of intersection, we got. Now xy is equal to 2. Okay, now look at here, we have to find m1 means differentiate with respect to x. Means uv formula, x derivative into y plus y derivative into x is equal to 2 derivative. So I am taking first curve. Forget about all this, sir. We have to take this curve as this. So x derivative is 1 into y, y derivative 1, y derivative means dy by dx trial, sir, is equal to constant derivative 0. So what will happen? Y plus dy by dx into x is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, dy by dx into x is equal to minus y. dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. dy by dx at p point. What is the p point? Minus 2 comma minus 1 is equal to minus of minus 1 by minus 2. So 1 by minus 2, which is m1. So we got m1. So first curve is calling, we have to find the derivative and substitute the point. Again, x square plus 4y is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 4 into y derivative is 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2x plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. 4 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Therefore, minus 2x by 4 minus x by 2. No? dy by dx at p minus 2 comma minus 1. So what is the point? This point. So x value minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2 by 2. 1. This is m2. So we got first point of intersection find out చేయాలి. Next derivative find out చేయాలి. second curve derivative find out chale, first curve derivative at the point we get m1, second curve m2. So what is the tan theta formula? Pi more or less. What is the formula? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, right? Now m1 ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్? minus 1 by 2, m1 is 1, so minus 1 by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into minus 1. So this will be minus 3 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, sir. m1 minus m2, so minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So how much we get? Minus 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Here it is. Small mistake is there, sir. Here minus 2. Sir, it is plus only. 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So m2. m1 minus m2. m1 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by minus 1 by 2 into minus 1. Right? It is plus 1, sir, not minus 1. m1 minus m2. So here plus 1 real. Okay, so this becomes 1 minus 1 by 2. So this becomes 1 by 2. So m1 minus m2. m1 enta sir? What is the m1? Minus 1 by 2. m2 enta? 1. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1. Plus sign only we have to take. So this becomes 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Tan theta is equal to minus 3 by 1 modulus. So tan theta is equal to 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse 3. Here angle avasam ledhu sir. So first point of intersection, next take the first curve, second curve, derivatives. Please note down. Next problem. Find angle between the curves. Y square is equal to 4x. Okay, solution. First answer, point of intersection. So y square you can replace directly. Therefore, x square I am replacing here. 4x plus is equal to 5. So y square is equal to answer 4x. I am substituting here. So x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 5 minus 1 common, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is the x value? 1. And what is the x value? Minus 5. Therefore, y square is equal to 4x. X is equal to 1 if you consider. Y square is equal to 4 into 1, 4. So y is equal to 2. So what is the p? 1 comma 2. Again, x is equal to minus 5. Y square is equal to minus 20, which is not possible because y square cannot be negative. Okay, square of any number cannot be negative. So what is the point of intersection? Is p 1 comma 2. Now, what is the first equation? Y square is equal to 4x. Differentiate with respect to x. So this will become 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4 into 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 4 by 2y. 2 by y. So what is the point at P? What is the P point? 1 comma 2. So it will happen 2 by 2, 1. This is M1. Right? This is the M1 value. Again, is equal to 5. So x square divided by 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. So 2x, if you bring this side, 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, 2 will get cancelled, dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. What is the p point? 1 comma 2. So minus 1 by 2. This is m2. Again, which is the formula? Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. What is m1? 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2. Observe here, tan theta is equal to 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Again 2 will get cancelled, 3. So what is the theta? Tan inverse 3. Okay, first find out the point of intersection, sir. So here look at the equations, convert accordingly. Okay, copy this. Okay, next problem. Again, y square is equal to 8x, 4x square plus y square is equal to 32. The procedure is the same, sir. Again, again y square you put here. And sir, 4x square plus 8x is equal to 32. So bring the term this side. Cancel with 4 table, 0. So 2 2s are 4, here 8, sorry. Okay, 4 table, x square plus 2x minus 8. 4 2s are, so x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 4, 0, 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the x value? 2 or x is equal to minus 4. So we got x is equal to, therefore y square is equal to 8x. So y square is equal to 16, y is equal to 4. So what is the p point? 2 comma 4. Again I am writing here. Y square is equal to 4x, 8x. I am putting minus 4. So it becomes what? It becomes what? Minus 32, which is not possible. Only 1 point we get. Okay, now what is the first square? Y square is equal to 8x. Same procedure observe change. 2y into dy by dx is equal to 8 into 1. dy by dx is 8 by 2y. That is 4 by y. What is the point? 2 comma 4. So what will happen? 4 by 4, 1. This is m1. Okay, again 4x square plus y square is equal to 32. So 4 into 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0 because constant derivative 0. 8x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 8x dy by dx is equal to minus 4x by y because 2 will get cancelled. What is the p point? 2 comma 4. So this becomes minus 8. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 by 4. What is the value we get? 2, minus 2. So here y value 4. So this becomes, so tan theta formula m1 minus m2 by 1. m1 is how much we got? Here m2. Here m1. 1 m1 minus m2 plus 2 by 1 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. So this becomes 3 by minus 1. Modulus is there. Again tan theta is equal to 3, theta is equal to tan inverse 3. Don't think that every time you get 3 only, but depending upon the problems. So here point of intersection m1 m2. Next problem. Look at this problem. So we have to find point of intersection. X square y is equal to 4. Open the bracket. So what I have done, I have opened the bracket. The x square y value directly we can put, sir. So what will happen? 4 plus 4y is equal to 8. 4y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 1. Direct వచ్చేస్తుంది, sir. Therefore, x square y is equal to 4. X square into 1 is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2. Observe here. Therefore, point is 2, 1. So ఇక్కడ we have opened the bracket, x square y substitute చేసాం. Now differentiate with respect to x. So x square derivative into y, uv formula apply చేయాలి సార్. y derivative into x square is equal to 4 derivative. X square derivative 2x into y, y derivative 1, dy by dx into x square is equal to 0. So dy by dx into x square is equal to minus 2xy. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy by x square. So minus 2y by x. So dy by dx at the p point. What is the p point? 2, 1. X is replaced by 2, y is replaced by 1. So minus 2 by 2 minus 1. This is m1. Okay, again. Second one. Observe here. 8. దీనికి x square derivative into y plus y derivative into x square plus 4 into y derivative is equal to 8 derivative. So 2xy plus dy by dx into x square plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So bring 2xy this side, sir, complete dy by dx common, x square plus 4 is equal to minus 2xy. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy by x square plus 4. Again p point. What is the p point? 2, 1. So minus 2 into 2 into 1 by 2 square is 4 plus 4. So minus 4 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Therefore m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. m1 you got minus 1, m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Again what you have to do? Tan theta formula. అన్నీ ఒకటే సార్, ప్రొసీజర్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్, స్లోప్స్ పాయింట్ వచ్చారు. దేర్ఫోర్ tan theta is equal to by 1 plus m1 m2 modulus. m1 ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్? minus 1. m2 minus 1 by 2 అంటే plus 1 by 2 by 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 modulus. So this becomes 1 by 2. This will become 1 plus 1 by 2. So this becomes 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. Cancel. So 1 by 3. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. So we have seen some 4 problems. So what is the model? Point of intersection find out cheyali. Then point of intersection వచ్చిన తర్వాత first curve, second curve, derivatives, m1, m2, substitution in the formula. Okay. We'll see some more problems in this next video.